O. Open, bold, cold, rotate, road, oatmeal, owner, robe, loan, roam, blown, phone, coach, slow. How did you know that? I don't know where the hole is on the coat. Does Joe know how to drive on the road? I need to blow my nose when I have a cold. Has it ever snowed in Rhode Island? Cold winds will slowly blow snow over most of Ohio. This snow is no joke, so folks, don't go out without coats. Goal. My goal is to speak good English. Hope. We hope you will understand our position. Narrow. Don't be so narrow-minded. Age. Able. 18. Made. Change. Day. Basic. Aid. Chain. Fake. Baby. Gave. Paper. Face. Eight. Date. Lazy. Gain. Nation. Angel. The ape gave the trainer a cane. David began shaving when he was 18. The rainbow appeared when daylight changed. The baby snake lived in a painted cage. My neighbor's basement was changed from blue to beige. Hey, take away this chain. With the gaze of a great break, with lazy day vacations. Lines are open 8 till late. They aim to make your day. Pay. Your hard work will pay off. Delay. You should not delay learning English. Make. The more mistakes you make, the more progress you make. Late. He tried to explain why he was late. Ow. Now. Loud. Ouch. South. Mouth. Thousand. House. Gown. Out. Ounce. Bounce. Spout. Round. Drowned. Sound. Found. Rebound. Flower. Count. The brown couch is downstairs. Her house is on the south side of the mountain. I was proud of the sounds that came out of my mouth. Are you going to our house? Stays are down, but our projections for next year are very good. Our plans will be changing in the next hour. Are you sure that our meeting will be an hour late? Outstanding. I don't want to be just good. I want to be outstanding. Proud. I am proud of myself. Downtown. How about going downtown? Powerful. His father is a powerful businessman.